welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today, people, it is a good day. We're waiting on the 10,000 subscriber numbers to come through. They haven't came through yet, but we will keep you posted. Also, we're behind on videos, so if you get quite a few in your inbox, listen, put it in your playlist, check it out for later. But have a look at it, because there are some that are going to be free for a limited time offer today, so you got to download right away. Cool. So today we got DW in the building. DW hasn't been in the building for a long time, and I'm glad he's here today. And he brought to us an awesome watch face to have a look at, and it's called DW50. Now DW50 is off the charts. It has that lumen look that I love. Now even in the always on mode, it looks good for the Gear S3, but I like the look on the Gear S2 a little bit better. In my opinion, it looks awesome. Now once the watch face is on, I do like this look. I do like the design and the creation that DW has brought to the table with this one. Again, it has that lumen look. It's an analog / digital watch face, and I love digital and analog together. Now if you look at it at the top, you will get your digital time. You come down, I love that it gives the day of the week, very legible. You get your date over here, you come down, you're going to get your step info, you're going to get info on miles walked or ran, and I'm really loving the step status right here to let you know how much of your step goal you have completed. Have your battery meter down at the bottom. Also, you have where you can go into your phone call, your music, get your heart rate, and it is interactive. So if I tap on phone, I can make a phone call. If I go ahead and tap on my music, very quick, easy, simple, I can go into that heart rate. Pretty much you can tap onto all the little icons and pull up the information that you're seeking. And DW has made it very convenient to do. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Hit me in the comment section below. I would really like to know your thoughts on this watch face. And know that DW always makes this affordable in the Gear Manager store, so make sure you go down and check out his page. All right, you all, that's going to be it. If you like the video, please, on the way out, hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, then go ahead. It's okay to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all at the next video. Take care.